Welcome back. Today we are up to Peak Performance Pro Tip number 6. And that tip is shut up and listen. Or maybe we could call it pay attention, or perhaps be still and know. The reason that we do this, the reason that we're paying attention, the reason that we're being quiet and listening, I'm actually going to give you 3 areas to kind of focus on there, and maybe a little practice that you can put in to help you develop this skill set and see where you can kind of take it from there. But first up is this idea of paying attention. So we talked about having huge, impossible goals. If you have an intention of actually reaching those goals, you need to slow down, you need to see what's going on, you need to pay attention for opportunities. If you find yourself always active, always moving, always speaking, you're not actually taking in any information that might broaden your perspective, that might show you a path which you have not before seen. So it's critical that you take those pauses in, that you listen, that you pay attention to your environment, see what's going on around you for multitudes of reasons. But in this case, we're specifically focused on opportunities that you can leverage to actually reach your impossible goals. Second, pay attention to your body and its signals. Previously, I just talked about rest, recovery, knowing when you need to stop, understanding when you're in flow, understanding when you're coming out of flow. The ability for you to do that, to take in that immediate feedback, is an ability to sense and understand what's going on with your body. So if you're tired, you're gassed out, you're not going to perform at your peak. Pretty simple, but you need, again, to slow down enough to be able to sense all of that. So last, I'm just going to talk through fairly quickly short meditation that you can do. I would practice this daily until you kind of get used to it, to help increase, to help you recognize sensory inputs that maybe you sometimes ignore because you're in too much of a hurry. So, short description. Sit down, lay down in a relaxed position, close your eyes, and just listen. Do nothing but listen. Listen for the sounds you hear. Don't judge them. Don't try to name them. Just be still and listen. Next, I want you to open your eyes and just see. Look straight out in front of you, find a point on that wall, and then allow your peripheral vision to expand. Spend a couple of minutes doing that, just seeing, not judging, not naming, just seeing. Next, I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to focus on what you can smell. One of the most powerful senses that we actually have, straight into the brain. Spend a couple of minutes. Notice what you can smell. Again, just take it in. Take in all of those senses. Spend a moment now on taste. See what the sensations in your mouth are telling you. Maybe you need some mouthwash after this one, who knows. But it's likely you wouldn't even have noticed anything going on. But get a sense of taste. You can do this while you're eating your food. Perfect opportunity for it. Last, a sense of touch. Close your eyes, stay in a calm environment, and just see what your body physically feels. If your arms are laid somewhere, if you feel the pressure of the weight of your body on a chair, sense those things for a couple of minutes. What this is going to do is going to allow you to expand your capabilities to intake senses. It's going to increase your ability to take in immediate feedback. It's going to cause you to relax. It's going to allow you to perform better, again, once you get back into a state of mind where you're prepared to work. So again, shut up and listen. Be still and know, whatever you want to call it. That's Peak Performance Pro Tip number 6. Peace out.